We're here in Norwood off Nesberry Drive, and we're at Filler Grocery. Junior, the owner of the grocery, has just signed an agreement to get this generator. The Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce. We have been surveying all of St. James actually, and parts of Westmoreland, and we're going elsewhere. We're here today to install the first 5, not just in Norwood, but also in South St. James. Tomorrow we come back with another 10 across the parish, so that we can have stores, mom and pop shops, like Junior's, ready in the community. They get light back. Junior can run him fridge and him freeze and sell him meat and him soft drinks. And we're going to go around to particular shops in various communities, center of the communities, and get them power back until JPS is able to bring back power to where they are. So this happens to be the first of 5 today. And tomorrow we're going to have another 10, and next week we have another 15 or 20, and so on, because we have to get shops back in these 5 parishes that have been badly hit by Melissa.